Hello, Class 2310. So I found a book that I think you'll really enjoy. It has a lesson in it. It's called You Get What You Get. And it's about this animal. And every time he doesn't get his way, he gets very disappointed. Disappointed means when you get really upset because you don't get what you want. So in this case, when he gets disappointed, he throws a fit, he cries, he screams, and he makes such a scene. So in this book, let's see a new lesson he learns on how he cannot act that way when he's disappointed.
I want to be disappointed.
Melvin did not deal well with disappointment. If his cookie had half as many chocolate chips as his sister, look out. If he lost his turn during a game, stand back. And if he didn't get exactly what he wanted, well, you know. Sorry, Melvin, they were out of dinosaur backpacks. No, Melvin did not deal well with disappointment. And this is why he hated his teacher's favorite rule. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Because of this rule, Melvin could not throw a fit if he had to use crayons instead of markers. He could not throw a fit if he ended up last in line. Oh, and look at him, boys and girls. Look how angry he looks, but he's keeping it inside. He's not exploding yet. Oh my goodness. He couldn't even throw a fit if his napkin was pink instead of green. Oh, well, mumbled Melvin. At least I can still throw a fit at home. My family doesn't know a thing about that terrible rule. But that night, when it was Melvin's turn to choose the movie, things changed. As soon as he'd chosen Dinosaur Rumble, his sister stomped her foot and whined, "But I want to watch a pony called Trouble." Too bad! You get what you get and you don't throw a fit, said Melvin. Everyone stopped and looked at Melvin. What did you say? Asked Dad. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit, repeated Melvin. So if your chocolate only has a few chocolate chips, you shouldn't throw a fit? Asked his sister. And if you lose a turn during a game, you shouldn't throw a fit? Asked his dad. And if the dinosaur backpacks are all sold out, you should be happy with the robot one, and you absolutely should not throw a fit? Asked his mom. Melvin gulped. There was no way to take it back now. Everyone knew. Well, I mean, at school you shouldn't throw a fit because that's the rule. But at home you can, he said. I think that sounds like a good rule for at home too, said Dad. I agree, said Mom. Home and school, that's the rule, his sister chanted. Melvin wanted to cry. He wanted to shout. He wanted to lie down on the ground and throw his arms and legs about.
Why?
But he didn't. After all, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. I love this lesson because look, he's growing up. He is not throwing a fit. He's being a good boy because in life, sometimes you're a little disappointed and you just move on. Did you like that story, boys and girls? Did you like that story, Julian? Yes. Okay, very good. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the book.